Hello friends, welcome to Eloquent English classes and this is Jyoti. In my previous lecture, we have learnt about nouns, kinds of nouns like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Today we shall be discussing classification of noun. Classification means whether the nouns are countable or uncountable. Countable means can be counted. Uncountable means that can't be counted. For example, countable nouns. A book, book means one book. Pen, one pen. Mobile, one mobile. Boy, one boy. Cup, one cup. Bag, one bag. Almirah, one almirah. Then door, one. Bottle, one. Plate, one. So all these are countable. We can count these. And because they are countable, they are called countable nouns. And these countable nouns have plurals. For example, book, books. Pen, pens. Mobile, mobiles. Boy, boys. Cup, cups. Bag, bags. Almirah, almirahs. Door, doors. Bottle, bottles. Plate, plates, etc. Now, the second kind is uncountable nouns. Uncountable means can't be counted. For example, milk, we cannot count the milk. Water can't be counted. Similarly, sugar granules cannot be counted. Oil cannot be counted. Silver, wood, tea, all these can't be counted. Therefore, they don't have plurals. We cannot say milks. It's wrong. We cannot say water, waters or sugars. These are all wrong. So, these uncountable nouns don't have plurals. After the classification of noun, we'll learn the noun gender. Masculine. Masculine means male. For example, boy, lion, cock, bull signify male. Male gender. Feminine. Girl, lioness, hen, cow. These are all females. Now, we also have some common gender. Common means you cannot make out whether it's a masculine or feminine. The next gender is common. Common gender. Common means we cannot make out whether it is masculine or feminine. For example, child. Any child, girl or a boy, we call child. Servant can be male or female. Students, girls and boys. Then enemy can be a male or female. Now baby. Baby is either a boy or a girl. Pupil. Pupil means students. Can be girls or boys. Infant. Small baby up to 6 months. We call infant. Can be a girl or a boy. Person. Can be a lady or a gentleman. We call them, we give a common name to them, person. Similarly, cousin. Cousin can be a girl or a boy, but we give a common name to them, that is cousin. So this is about common noun. Now, the next type is neuter. Neuter denotes a thing that is neither male nor female. For example, tree, room, pen, photo, book, insects. These are neither males nor females. So that is neuter gender. There are some nouns which are personified. Personified means they are treated like characters, like male or female. For example, the sun, time, death, summer. These are all treated like males. Now, personified as females. The earth, the nature, liberty, hope, charity and peace. These are all personified as females. Now actually this personification is used only in prose and poetry. These nouns, all these nouns like the sun, time, death, summer, the nature, liberty, hope, charity, peace, these are commonly used in either prose or poetry. Now we shall be learning the ways of forming feminine of the nouns. So there are 3 ways of forming the feminines. Now first one is by entirely changing a word. Means like brother, brother, sister. Bull, cow. Horse is masculine and mare is feminine. Monk is masculine and feminine is nun. Similarly, lord, lady. These are different words by changing the word. Another way of forming the feminine is by adding a syllable ESS, INE or tricks. Syllable means one part contains a vowel. One part of the word contains a vowel. And if this is the case, we add either ES, INE or TRIX, tricks. For example, host, hostess, author. In the host, there is O, vowel. Vowel chapter we will study afterwards. Host, hostess, author, authoress, lion, lioness, priest, priestess, hero, heroine, legislator, legislatrix, orator, oratrix. So these are the ways of forming feminine out of the masculine. Another way of forming feminine is by placing a word before or after. For example, grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, milkman, milkwoman, salesman, saleswoman, landlord, landlady. So this is all for today, and in the next lecture we will be discussing the number. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.